Hi, guys. So let's review our spelling rules for this week before our spelling test, just to make sure we're remembering all the rules. So this week, what we're learning is plural word endings. And you guys know that plural means more than one. In Spanish, we say plural y significa lo mismo, más que una cosa, o más que una persona, más que un lugar. Cuando hablamos de sustantivos, when we're talking about nouns, more than one is plural. So today, we will learn how to change our words from singular, one, to plural by changing the endings. Okay. So the first rule we have to remember is words that end in Y. Okay. Nouns that end in Y. So I'm going to help you guys write out all four of these words really quickly. So first word we have is the word penny. So let's sound it out. Like Ed. Pen. And we double our N in the word penny. E. And our Y is making the E sound, right? Penny. Now, the rule for plurals with words that end in Y is that you must remove the Y and add IES, and that will make it plural. So you have one penny, but you have two pennies. So the new word would be spelled Pennies, pennies. Let's try a different word, okay? So all these words, head, arm, foot, leg, chest, hand, those are all parts of your body. So let's write the word body. Ba, bod, and we're using the Y as the E sound, body, right? Okay, the same rule applies. If we want to make it plural, we need to change the Y to an IES. So instead of body, we have bodies. Okay? Let's look at our next word. Our next word is party. Party. P. And then we know we have the vowel pair with the bossy R to make the R sound. Par. Part. Party. Right? Well, if we want to make it into parties, we have to remove the Y, add IES, and then we have parties. The last word we have here is family. Okay, let's sound that out. Fam, fam-I, famil, family. We'll use our Y as the E sound. Now, again, we want to change it from family to the plural version, which is families. So we get rid of our Y and add IES. And that's the rule to make words that end in Y plural. Now let's go to the next rule. In English, we have a lot of words that end in ch or sh, right? And so when a word ends in ch or sh, most of the time, you're going to add es to make the word plural. So our first word that we have is the word inch. Let's sound that word out. Inch. I, in, inch. Now, we don't have to take anything away in this word. We just have to add es to make it plural. So instead of inch, we have inches. Let's try the next word. These two cars had a crash. So let's spell it. Crash. Okay? And if we want to make that word plural, more than one crash, we're going to have to add an es. So it's going to be crashes. Okay? Let's take a look at our next word. So this little girl is making a wish. So let's sound out that word. Wish. Okay? And now, If we want to change that from singular to plural, we just add es. So instead of wish, we have wishes. Okay? Now this girl has a bunch of flowers. So let's sound out the word bunch. B, b, bun, bunch. Okay? And again, to make it plural, we're going to add the es. So we have bunches, bunches. All right, our last rule for plural words that we're going to look at today is when you just add an S to the end of the word. And there's a lot of words in the English language where we just add an S. So if you look, our spelling word from last week was pencil, right? So let's sound it out. P, pen, pencil. And we already know how to spell that word because we spelled it last week. So all we're going to do is add an S. Pencils. We have more than one pencil. Let's look at the next word. The next word is pocket. Let's sound it out. P, pa, pock. We have a CK there. Pock, pocket. And again, we just add the S and we have pockets. Let's do our next word. Plant. P, pull, pla, plan, plant. And if we add the S, we get plants. And finally, list. L, li, list, list. And add an S, and we have lists. Okay, boys and girls? So remember those rules. Okay, most words are going to end with an S, just an S. But we have those special words where if they end in a CH or SH, we're going to add ES. And of course, when it ends in Y, we have to remove the Y and add IES to make it plural. Okay, good luck.